Today, we're diving into Your Money or Your Life, a book that has changed thousands of lives by asking one brutally honest question. Are you making a living or are you making a dying? If you're into smart money habits, early retirement, or finally getting control over your financial life, click the link in the description. We break down financial classics, and the central idea of your money or your life is that money isn't just dollars and cents. It's your life energy. Every dollar you earn costs you time, energy, maybe even stress or health. And once you see money as a trade for your precious life hours, you start spending and earning very differently. The authors lay out a 9-step program to help you reshape your entire relationship with money. Step 1. Make peace with the past. Calculate how much money you've earned in your lifetime, your lifetime income. Then total up your current net worth. The difference between the two is a powerful wake-up call. It forces you to reflect. Where did all that money go? This isn't about shame, it's about clarity. Step 2. Track every penny. For at least a month, track every cent you spend. Not in categories, not in vague budgets. Track it all. The goal is awareness. You can't change what you don't measure. Step 3. Monthly money review. At the end of each month, review what you spent and ask yourself, did I receive fulfillment in proportion to the life energy spent? If this aligned with my values, would I spend this again? This isn't just budgeting. It's financial mindfulness. Step 4. Calculate your real hourly wage. Let's say you earn $25 per hour. But you commute, buy work clothes, grab takeout lunches, and collapse exhausted every night. Add up all the time and costs required to keep earning, then subtract those from your income. You may realize your real hourly wage is closer to $12 per hour or less. That $5 latte? Suddenly, it's 30 minutes of your life. Step 5. Create a wall chart. This step sounds old school, but it's brilliant. Each month, plot your total income and expenses on a graph. Seeing the gap or lack of one between earning and spending is incredibly motivating. It turns abstract numbers into a visual game. Quick reminder, if this is resonating, don't forget to subscribe. We break down powerful money ideas like this every week so you can win back your time and financial freedom. Step 6. Ask the big questions. Now that you're tracking and reviewing, ask, what is enough for me? Does my spending align with my values and purpose? Am I working just to spend, or is there something deeper I want? This is where your money or your life shifts from financial advice to life design. Step 7. Maximize life energy efficiency. Now comes the fun part, optimizing. Can you reduce expenses without sacrificing joy? Can you earn more without burning out? The goal isn't to deprive yourself, it's to get maximum fulfillment per dollar spent. Frugality becomes freedom when it's aligned with your values. Step 8. Reach the crossover point. This is the holy grail. As you spend less and save more, your investments start generating income. Eventually, your passive income surpasses your expenses. That's the crossover point where working becomes optional. This isn't just retirement, it's financial independence. Step 9. Live a life you love. Finally, with the foundation in place, you design a life that reflects your deepest values. Whether it's traveling, volunteering, writing, or just spending more time with loved ones, you're free to choose. You've reclaimed your life energy. In the end, your money or your life is not about money. It's about freedom, purpose, and conscious living. It's about realizing that every dollar is a trade-off, and every trade-off is a chance to live more intentionally. So, what will you choose? If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more timeless money wisdom and modern-day strategies. We're just getting started. And remember, your money is your life. Use it wisely.